Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Arduino Servo Kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to bring your projects to life. Whether you're a seasoned maker or just starting out, this kit opens up a world of possibilities, from robotics to interactive art installations. With the ability to precisely control movement, you can create dynamic and responsive projects that react to their environment or user input, making your creations more engaging and fun. Number 5. SG99G Micro Servo Motor Kit. This is a versatile kit perfect for various RC projects. It is ideal for remote control helicopters, robots, and boats. The kit is also compatible with Arduino and Raspberry Pi projects. The motor is compatible with JR and Futaba interfaces. It is designed to fit a wide range of RC toys. This makes it easy to integrate into your existing projects. It operates at a speed of 0.09 seconds per 60 degrees at 4.8 V. The stall torque is 17.5 ounces in at 4.8 V. The motor has a 180-degree running angle, providing ample movement. The operating voltage ranges from 4.8 V to 6.0 V. It features an analog controller for precise movements. Remember that the starting current of the motor should be greater than 1A. This kit is suitable for robot arms, hands, and walking robots. It is also perfect for airplanes, cars, and boat control. This servo motor will bring your DIY projects to life. What we like. This kit is compatible with various RC toys and Arduino projects. It offers a fast response time, ensuring smooth operation. If you are looking for a versatile servo kit for your projects, you should consider this one. What people say. These have held up well. Only used indoors but no issues with functionality. Currently use them for model armatures with a remote. Would be good for all kinds of modeling. This is a nice set of these small servos that work well for my proof of concept project. They aren't super powerful, but not advertised as such, but they'll do the job for a project you might be planning that needs many multiple servos to work. I hooked one up to a servo controller and it worked well and was very quiet. 180 degrees of movement which will work fine for my project ahead. If you need a bunch of little plastic geared servos, this is a great assortment that will give you 10 of them. I'm very satisfied with the purchase. Just as advertised. These servos work well on model planes where lightweight is a requirement. Number 4. MMOBIEL MG995 Micro Servo Motor Kit. This is the MMOBIEL MG995 Micro Servo Motor Kit. It's designed for a wide range of RC models and DIY projects. It's a versatile and reliable choice for your projects. This servo motor is perfect for RC drones, cars, airplanes, helicopters, and robots. It's also compatible with Arduino and Raspberry Pi projects. The possibilities are endless with this kit. The motor has a no-load running speed of 0.09 seconds per 60 degrees at 4.8 V. It offers a stall torque of 11 kg/cm. It operates at 4.8 V to 6.0 V. The kit is compatible with JR and Futaba interfaces. It can be used with various remote control systems. It's a great addition to any hobbyist's collection. The kit includes the MG995 servo motor, a 3-colored cable, and 4 servo horn steering arms. It also comes with stainless steel screws. Everything you need to get started is included. MMOBIEL strives to exceed your expectations. Join the growing list of satisfied customers. Discover the difference with this high-quality servo motor kit. What we like. This servo motor boasts high torque, providing strong and reliable performance. It also includes screws and servo arms for easy setup. If you need a powerful and complete servo kit, this is the one for you. What people say. Gears are plastic, however it works pretty well. Alice top. Na realidade as Dominos Sao 4cm * 4cm * 2cm. Number 3. SG99G Micro Servo Motor Kit. Introducing the SG90 Servo Motor Kit, a high-quality product. This kit is perfect for various projects, offering reliable performance and ease of use. This servo motor delivers a stall torque of 1 kg/cm at 4.8 V. It operates within a voltage range of 3.0 V to 6 V and a temperature range of -30 to +60 degrees Celsius. The SG90 is small and lightweight, yet it provides high output power. Its compact design makes it ideal for projects where space is limited. This servo motor is compatible with projects like robot arms, robot hands, and servo control systems. It's a versatile component for various applications. The SG90 has a simple 3-wire interface, red for 5V, brown for ground, and yellow for digital pin 9. This makes it easy to integrate into your projects. Perfect for remote control helicopters, micro-robots, robot arms, and boats. This servo motor is a great choice for your RC and robotics projects. What we like. This mini servo is lightweight and offers high output power. It also features a wide operating voltage range. If you like a small but powerful servo for your projects, you should consider it. What people say. The servos work well as advertised and intended, although the screw heads aren't the same size. Nice servo for building your own 3D printer bed level probe. It fit perfectly in the print found on Instructables. These work well for what they are. All 5 that I received were working. Number 2. Dorhea SG99G Micro Servo Motor Kit. This is a brand new, high-quality servo motor kit. It's perfect for a variety of RC projects. It is tiny and lightweight with high output power. This servo motor boasts a stall torque of 17.5 ounces in at 4.8 V. It operates within a voltage range of 3.0 V to 6 V. The temperature range is -30 to +60 degrees Celsius. This kit is ideal for projects like robot arms, robot hands, and servo control systems. You can use it to control the servo with a potentiometer. It is also suitable for multi-servo control. The SG90 has a simple 3-wire interface. Connect the red wire to 5V, the brown wire to ground, and the yellow wire to digital pin 9. This makes it easy to integrate into your projects. This 9G micro servo motor is great for remote control helicopters, micro robots, robot arms, and boats. It provides precise control in a compact package. It is a great choice for your projects. What we like. This kit provides multiple servo motors in one package. It's easy to use and offers high quality. If you are working on a project that requires multiple servos, you should consider this kit. What people say. A lot of people mention there are plastic gears inside, but the main gear is metal, and that's what matters. I've been using these in some of my 3D printed projects, and they've taken a beating and still keep going. Solid performance, no complaints so far. All 12 that were shipped work perfectly. It has worked well for my RC plane projects, and have taken a beating, but still work just fine. Number 1. MMOBIEL SG99G Micro Servo Motor Kit. Introducing the MMOBIEL SG90 Micro Servo Motor Kit. This kit is designed for precision and control in your RC projects. It's a reliable choice for various applications. This servo motor is compatible with JR and Futaba interfaces. It works with remote-controlled drones, helicopters, cars, and boats. It's also great for Arduino and Raspberry Pi projects. The servo operates at 4.8 V to 6.0 V. It has a no-load running speed of 0.09 seconds per 60 degrees. The stall torque is 17.5 ounce-inch. The kit includes the SG90 micro servo motor, a 3-colored cable, and 3 servo horn steering arms. It also comes with stainless steel screws in different sizes. Everything you need is included. MMOBIEL strives to exceed your expectations. Join the many satisfied customers and experience the difference with this product. It's a great addition to any project. What we like. This kit features a JR and Futaba interface for broad compatibility. It also includes screws and servo arms. If you are looking for a reliable and complete servo kit, this is the one for you. What people say. Har mycket roligt med de fuker utmarkt. Function avec un microcontroller Arduino, pa forcement tres solide mais ca marque. I used this on a heavy RC car and was surprised to see it handled it just fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.